guys, it's Kelsey and I'm here with Elmo Slide, taking a look to see what this little guy has to offer our little ones and maybe doing a little dancing along with him. So we have Elmo Slide out of the packaging. He comes attached to this little platform and you use these screws to take him out. On the bottom of his feet, you see there are rollers. That's how he actually moves, and he comes with the batteries. You can see there's 2 AA's in each side. You can do English or Spanish. English or Spanish. And then he has on, off, and try me.
It's time to do the Elmo Slide. Everybody flap your arms together. Flap, 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 flap your arms. Flap, 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 flap your arms. Slide to the side. Slide to the other side. Get down now. Get up now. Do Elmo Slide. Do Elmo Slide. Do Elmo Slide. Do Elmo Slide.
Let's try putting him in Spanish mode.
Es hora de hacer el baile de Elmo. Hay que mover los brazos. Díganos a mover los brazos. A mover. A un lado mover. Y al otro lado también. Hacia abajo. Y hacia arriba. El baile de Elmo. El baile de Elmo.
Thanks for playing with me and Elmo in our Elmo Slide playtime. This is such a cute toy. It gets 2 huge thumbs up for me for being bilingual and for just being highly interactive for your littles. I don't think you're going to get a long time with this toy. Your kid's going to outgrow it after a certain phase. But overall, such a cute concept. Really love this type of play, being physical, and love that it moves and dances and encourages our littles to move and dance as well. So overall, 2 thumbs up, would play again.